Hi everyone, welcome to VIEH Group YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to know about latest ransomware family, which is called Brain Cipher. So Brain Cipher is basically a new ransomware gang, which is spreading worldwide. So let me tell you a small story why it was started. So right now, into the entire world, the digital revolution is coming. If you're from India, if you're from any other country, then it's basically every government is working to set up their own server farm. Basically they are working to set up their own server data center so that the data that they are using or any confidential thing, it will be stored into their own server and will be into their own country. So this was the reason where Indonesia was working, and they have established their own data center, fortunately. But unfortunately they got attacked by a ransomware. So this was a small story. So the ransomware group name was Brain Cipher. So this was the ransomware group name. So they basically destructed the immigrant services. They destructed the passport control system. They destructed the event permit system, which was established in Indonesia, and other online services. So right now, till date, as per my knowledge, approx 200 uh, government services has been disrupted. So what we can say, this was a ransomware which took a lot of things from the country. So they are demanding for the 8 million Monero coin, which is cryptocurrency coin, and little less famous as comparison to the uh, Bitcoin actually. So if they are going to pay, they will get the decryption key along with the leaked data that they steal from the government website. This is what I am not claiming. They are claiming. It's claimed by the Brain Cipher. So this was the demand. Now, little info about what is Brain Cipher. Okay, so Brain Cipher, as I told you, is a ransomware family. It conduct operation worldwide. Okay, and till now they have not leaked any data. I don't know why, but there might be they wanted to do something else. But till now, as per my knowledge, no data has been leaked. So, and there's a lot of site. Actually, I can show you some things. Okay, there's a lot of sites where they have shown you w- uh, which the company, those who had little research on this ransomware, they have just uploaded on their vulnerability assessment site or virus detection site, and they created a small genetic analysis which will give you a very basic information about Brain Cipher. SHA 256 key is here, and related sample, codes, string, and capabilities. Everything is mentioned, and with whom they are related, and all those things are there. Okay, here you can see related summary is there. You can do all those things. You can download for the research purpose. Okay, and TTPs, which is technique and procedure, technique and tactics procedure. So there are three samples that I got from the internet that you can check out, and if you are researching, then this is going to help you a little bit. This was the thing, and they have not created their site, which is going to give you a lot of information. So I have just arranged all those things. So the interesting thing that we need to know is, according to all these three websites, the interesting thing which is to be pointed is they have used lockbit 3.0 builder, which was the recent and most famous ransomware gang tool. Okay, they were the most famous recent ransomware gang. So they were using some a lot of tools actually. So right now the Brain Cipher is using 3.0 builder, which is of lockbit. They have done some minor changes, but they are using the same. And there's a lot of ransomware gangs. They are saying ki create your own. You should not use of others. That's what I chat that I've seen on the dark web. So they have done the minor changes in the decryption in the builder actually. They have changed the file name extension. Here you can see the file that Brain Cipher is encrypting. The extension is also getting encrypted. Okay, so basically in the previous time what we were doing when we are getting any ransomware file, so it might be a dot DLPLD or something which may indicate us कि it is from Black Hat Ransomware Gang or any other. But in this situation, the extension is also encrypted, but mostly are common. Like here you can see FLXQ, FLXU, most of the things common. But in different file, there are different extensions. So this is what we have seen. Uh, how they are doing? First, they encrypt the file and they just drop a ransomware note. Here you can see in the ransomware note as well. In the starting, it's something encrypted, then dot readme dot txt, and that's what been found on the several computers, which was encrypted by the Brain Cipher. Now, what happened actually? It will this readme.txt will going to tell you you are from already from cybersecurity, so you know all those things. So what things had been occurred on your system? This is first thing what ransomware note will tell you what are threats, and then they will give you a link for the Tor negotiation and data leaks site where they might leak your data or something. ठीक है what you will post your report if you're not going to if the victim is not going to contact them within 48 hours, they will start posting some records on their website. So this was first thing. And here you can see this is another how to restore your file. They have drop another file like how to restore your file, where you need to visit the Tor site. You need to download a Tor browser, then go to the support page and enter your encryption ID. Where this is what you can see this on the site where you have to enter your encryption ID. And hey, this is what encryption. It's blurred because everyone is having different. So in this case scenario, every victim is having different encryption ID that you have to enter in this site, and then you may get contacted with the ransomware family, where you will get a simple chat box actually. Okay. Now a basic like how it work, right? So it work basically by couple of procedure that they are following. First, they breach the corporate network. Okay, and via some vulnerability, they are just exploiting the vulnerability and getting access of the corporate network. Second thing they are doing is they are just spreading through the network actually to the other devices. And at a third stage, they just gain window domain admin credentials. And later on, they deploy ransomware through network on multiple devices. And before encrypting the entire system, they just download the data and they just store at their own end actually. This is how they are initiating their operations. And this is a site. And till now there is nothing leaked on their site, but they might leak something on their dark website. Okay, and you may find yourself in this position. Anyway, then that's interesting to read. And the demand that they have is approx 20,000 US dollar to 1 million 2 million US dollar. No, it's not. It's 8 million US dollar in Monero coin. So this was the basic information about Brain Cipher ransomware gang. And the interesting thing is, since it was created via using lockbit 3 encryptor, so decryption is not available till now. So if you get encrypted via Brain Cipher, then it will be very tough for you to get out of it. Payment is one option, but never rely on a ransomware gang because sometimes they just took your money and will not going to uh, let you get your data. Okay, and no recovery option till now. So anyways, the peoples are working, the researchers are working. If anything will be found, I'll let you know, and accordingly you can get off out of it. But right now it's tough. So thank you very much for watching. It's not cyber or coffee, it's VIH Group. So I create videos on the both the channels. So anyway, thanks for joining. If you're looking for some amazing stuffs, then just go to vihgroup.com TCI where you can find some amazing internships. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai.